Yes, students, here we have a question. Prove that a number is tripled, then its cube is 27 times the cube of the given number. So, here we have a number is tripled. First of all, we see a number is tripled, then what happens to its cube? Okay. So, let's the number be, the number is equal to x. Now, it's tripled. When the number is tripled, the tripled number is 3x. We know tripled means tripled number is 3 times x, that is 3x. And now cube of x. Now cube of the number is x to the power 3. And cube of the triple number, and cube of the triple number its cube we take out, then triple number is 3x and its cube is power 3. So we have 3x into 3x into 3x. So we have 27x cube. So its cube is 27 times the cube of the given number. So this is given number and it is cube of given number, 27 times cube of given numbers. 27 times cube of x we have. So hence we have proved this. Now we will go to the next question. Now this is second question. Question number 3. Write cubes of all natural numbers between 1 to 10 and observe the pattern. So let's take out the cube of all natural number. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So now what is the pattern here? That cube of all even number is even. This is odd, and cube of all odd number is odd. You can see 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd number and its cube is odd, and cube of even number is even. This is the pattern we are observing. So here you have to note, you have to write in your note, the pattern is cube of even number, cube of even number is even, and cube of odd number is odd. This is the pattern we are observing. Now we have fourth question. We have to find cubes. This is very easy. We have done it before. One number is 0.6. So we find its cube. Cube means power 3, means 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6. We know cube of 6 is 216, and here we have 3 digits in the decimal part. So we count 3 digits and put dot. So 0.216. This is answer of one number. Let's solve two number. Two number is cube of minus 3.1. So we write down minus 3.1 multiplied by minus 3.1 multiplied by minus 3.1. Now negative is positive and positive negative is negative. we know cube of any negative number is negative, and in rough side we do 3.1 multiplied by 3.1. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. Then cross the place, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. This is 961. And again we multiply this by 3.1. 1, this is 961. Then cross the place, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. 1, 9 threes are 27 and 1 28. So we add 9, 8, 8, 16, 9, 17, carry 1, 8, 1, 9, and this is 2. So 29,791 is its multiplication. We write 29,791 and then we put decimal here. So we have 3 digits in decimal part. We write 3 digits. We count 3 digits. So as we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, we count 1, 2, 3 places and we put dot here. So this is the answer, 29.791. Now next we have third number. We have to find the cube of minus 0.01 and its cube will be minus 0.01 into minus 0.01 into minus 0.01. We put all negative numbers within bracket, and negative power 3 is negative 1 ones are 1, and we have 2 to 4 to 6 places. So we have to put 5 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we put a dot and then 0, then negative. So 2 to 4 to 6 decimal part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places in decimal part, then we have point, and the answer is negative. This way we solve 4 number. Yes, we have to find the value of the following cube roots. There is first part of question number 5. We have to find the cube root of 0.008. 0.008. We solve this. This is cube root of 0.008 is 8 upon 1000, as having 3 decimal places, so it is 1000. And now we know 2 cube is 8, so cube root of 8 is 2, and 10 cube is 1000, so cube root of 1000 is 10, which is equal to 0.2. Now second part of this question we have, in second part we have cube root of minus 64 upon 1331. First of all, we know cube root of a negative number is negative, and 64 is the cube of 4, so its cube root is 4, and 1331 is cube root of 11. So minus 4 by 11 is its answer. Now we have third part. The third part we have to take out. This is cube root of 27 multiplied by 2744. 2744. Now we know 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So its 3 cube is 27. When we take out cube root of 27, it is 3. And we have to know that 14 into 14 into 14, that is 14 cube is 2744. So we will find its cube root is 14, or you can do its prime factorization of 2744. You will take it 14. Now 3 is 42 is its answer. Okay, you can either take its prime factorization and find cube root, or I have done it directly, as I know 14 cube is 2744, or you can do by prime factorization of 27 or 2744 and find out its cube root. Yes children, now we have to find the smallest number which when multiplied with 3600. So we are given 3600 and it is asked find the smallest number which when multiplied with 3600 so that the product is a perfect cube, and find the cube root of the product. First let us check that whether 3600 is a perfect cube or not. We will find its prime factorization in some shortcut way. We know 3600 is 36 into 100. Again 100 is 10 tens are 100, and this is 4 nines are 36. So 4 is 2 into 2 and 9 is 3 into 3. 4 nines are 36 and 100 is 10 into 10. So when you take out the prime factorization of 3600, you will get this. You can find prime factorization your own way. And now you see the triplet. So 2 is coming in pair, 3 is coming in pair, 10 is coming in pair. Now what you need to make this 2 triplet, 1 extra 2 you need to multiply, 1 extra 3 you need to multiply, and 1 extra 10 you need to multiply. And so 3 2s are 6, 10s are 60. You need to multiply in this number, then it is a perfect cube. So you have to write the number to be multiplied is 60, and the cube root of the product, that is 3600 into 60 is 60. Okay, so this is the answer. Now you are given one expression, you have to evaluate. The expression is cube root of 0.027 divided by 0.008, then divide by, and then cube square root of, here it is cube root, here it is square root of 0.09 and divide by 0.04, and then we have minus 1. Very simple. These are 3 digits, these are 2 digits, so 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.027. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, and 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.008. So we write 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 0.027, and 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2. This is 0.008. Then divide by, this is 0.3 into 0.3. 3 3s are 9. And this is 0.2 into 0.2. And as it is cube root, so we take out of triplet 0.3 one number and 0.2 another number. Then divide by, as this is a square root, so out of 2 in a pair we take 1 0.3 and divide by 0.2. and minus 1 remains as it is here also. And now this is 0.3 divided by 0.2. So we have 0.3 by 0.2. When we divide, we write multiplication and its reciprocal minus 1. Now 0.2, 0.2 cut in 1 time, 0.3, 0.3 cut in 1 time. So 1 ones are 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 is answer.